This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, February 24th. I'm Gabrielle Kiefer. The Maury boys swimming team made some noise at the Class 5 state championship last week. Owen Redfern won the state championship in the 1-meter diving competition. Harry Ramsey and Alex Walker finished 6th and 7th. Blake Johnson came in 4th and 5th in the 200 and 500 freestyle events, and he teamed with Sean Roca, Kobe Wynn, and Perry Ingram to finish 4th in the 400 freestyle relay. Maury's 7th place finish far outdistanced other schools in the Region 5A. Now here's Nick Johnson in the control room with what's coming up on the athletic calendar.
Thanks, Gabby. It's basketball playoff time, and of course the defending state champion Commodores are in the picture. On Wednesday, the Commodores take on Princess Anne in the Region 5A quarterfinals. Game time is 6 p.m. at Green Run High School. It won't be long before we're taking about spring sports. Back to you, Gabby.
Thanks, Nick. Now here's what's happening at MHS. You're up to date for Monday, February 24th. I'm Gabrielle Kiefer. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.